What nouns are also palindromes? Imagine a word that reads the same way forward and backward. Now think about how some of those words are also names or objects we use every day. These special words are called palindromic nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. When a noun is also a palindrome, it has this symmetrical spelling. For example, the word mom is a noun because it refers to a mother. It is also a palindrome because if you spell it backward, it still says mom. The same goes for dad, which means father. Both words are simple, common names for family members and read the same way from either end. Another example is Eve. It can mean the evening or refer to the first woman in the Bible. Eve is a palindrome noun because it reads the same forward and backward. The origin of Eve comes from Hebrew, meaning life or living, but in English, it often means the time just before an event or day. Names like Anna are also palindromic nouns. Anna is a female name that means grace. It is used worldwide and is spelled the same way from both directions. When you see Anna, you know it is a name that reads the same forward and back. Some words are not names but objects or concepts, like radar. It is a system used to detect objects with radio waves. Radar is an acronym from radio detection and ranging. It is a noun because it names a device, and it is a palindrome because it reads the same in either direction. Other examples include level, which is a tool used to check if a surface is flat. It comes from Latin, meaning a small balance. Level is a noun because it names a thing, and it is also a palindrome. Rotor is another noun that refers to a spinning part of a machine, like in helicopters. It comes from Latin, meaning to rotate, and it reads the same backward. Words like race car are also palindromic nouns. A race car is a vehicle designed for racing. It is a compound noun made from race and car, and it reads the same forward and backward. Deed is a noun for an action or a legal document coming from Old English. It is also a palindrome because it spells the same way from either side. These palindromic nouns are interesting because their spelling is symmetrical, making them stand out. They often appear in everyday language, names, or objects we use. Recognizing these words helps us see the fun side of language and how words can have unique features. Using palindromic nouns in sentences can make your language more playful. For example, Mom and Dad went for a walk, or the radar detected the object. These words are simple but show how symmetry in spelling can make a word memorable. Understanding these words helps build your vocabulary and shows how language can be both functional and fun. Palindromic nouns reminded us that even everyday words can have special qualities, making learning new words an enjoyable experience.